Today we have a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is Walmart Shoplifter Thought No One Was Watching.
On May 13th, 2022, a Walmart customer tried to skip scan and steal some items and instantly regretted it as soon as cops arrived.
26, you have an updated location of the retail theft. Somebody's stealing from Walmart?
Maybe. She just went that way. She's in apparel. She's loading up on more clothes in her bag right now.
Where's she at?
She's in women's. Oh, she's at checkout right now?
This way, that's on.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's wrong.
Yeah, that's accurate.
10-4, I'm not seeing what help you right now. She's coming out this way. Place your hands behind your back, please.
Okay, hold on,
Place your hands behind your
pay
back.
for it.
Place your hands behind your back.
Let me pay for that hide. I hadn't paid for all of it yet. No, I wasn't heading out the door. I was going to get some money. Don't want it right there. I was going to pay for it. And I had to, well, sorry, and I was going to put it right here. As long as I pay for it.
You have anything on you, ma'am, that's going to poke me or stick me?
As long as I pay for it, I was going to.
Do you have anything on you?
No, I'm going to pay for all of it right now. Okay. Wait. No, please. I don't want to get me in any trouble. Please. I'm sorry. I apologize. I was going to pay for it all. I'm going to pay for it right now.
All right, ma'am, so right now you're being detained on suspicion of retail theft, okay? We're just going to go to the Asset Protection Office and get it all squared away, okay?
Okay, that's fine. Because I'll pay for all of it. I'm sorry. I just want to pay for it all.
You're getting... All right, I'll meet you in the office.
Good old Wood Forest. It always amazes me how after they steal, now they want to pay for it.
Money, I'm going to pay for it all.
Oh, you got the money, huh? Oh, okay.
All right,
And this is, if you want to throw this in our wallet when you get a chance, this is her gift card that she paid for the amount.
can I just pay you for it?
Me?
Yeah.
No, unfortunately that's not an option.
She take it. Come on.
Yeah, she could switch on the shorts and on the shirts.
What?
Put a different ticket on it. I watched you on the floor switch off the stickers.
Come on, please let me pay for it, and I will give you all the money. I've got over $800 on me. I have a problem. I know with this, and I know I need help, but I will pay for all of it.
You put that in the bag right in front of me.
I will pay for all of it. promise you, I'll pay for everything. It was my.
Come on, what police department is this, man? Or is it their editing team? No, actually, it might be the editing team for this video, because their watermark isn't above the blur. Like, why is it so blurry? Like, just blur out the certain sections. Like, if you don't want to, whatever. I'm not gonna get into it.
10 days. And I will. I have a job. I'm going counseling. I'm seeing a psychiatrist.
What's wrong with your wrist?
Oh, I have a big burn.
A burn?
Yeah, it has to be covered up.
Okay.
I mean, I have it on me right now, and I'll never come back here.
I'll take her back and get her booked. I'll take it.
His number, you're gonna have to call him.
I'll call him from the police station, okay? We're gonna go out and to the right. We'll go
You
on
know
the
what?
passenger side of my car, please.
Their logo is still faint at the bottom. So now I'm thinking, okay, the police department is the one that blurred all of that. But I don't understand why. Like, all you do is just blur out like the camera part, like the security camera part. Like, come on, we've seen plenty of loss prevention videos. I wonder what police department this is. Oh, falling. I never heard of
Go
that.
ahead and have a seat.
I've never heard of that place. I don't know where that's at.
Lean back from.
Keys in my gangster.
I can't leave. I don't have keys.
Hard on you.
Yeah.
See, I knew this wasn't one of them regular police departments, because they not blurring the whole thing out like that.
What eggs are?
Yep. We'll get them checked out. Get you inside and you can give. Who's at home?
My boyfriend.
He can drive your medicine up here, right?
Born, I can do it. On.
Not if you have previous retail theft convictions. Go ahead and third stool on the left. Before you sit down, I'll take the handcuffs off.
Oh, just as I have a conviction, I can't go on.
Illinois law says your second offense after a previous conviction is a felony level offense. Just bend your elbow for me. There you go. Go ahead and have a seat.
You over there stealing Coca-Cola? Like, come on, man. Get it together.
She was charged with retail theft. It seems like she has a past history of retail theft, and she truly needs help with these types of kleptic actions, which lead to her stealing from places, even though she has the money to pay for the items. Do you think she'll seek professional?
Man, come on, man. What else y'all talking about? Nothing? That's a bad AI voice, boy. Y'all got, oof, that was horrible. Anyways, yeah, man, crime on body cam, man. Y'all doing y'all thing, though. I ain't gonna lie. At first, I'm like, damn, why is it so blurry, man? Golly. I don't know if the police department blurred it or y'all blurred it. Somebody blurred it, but y'all ain't had to blur the whole room like that, man. Damn. Couldn't even see what she was stealing. We just seen what was in the cart. which it looked like it was Coca-Cola or something, like some sodas and stuff. It always amazes me how after you get caught, now all of a sudden you got the money to want to pay for it. Why didn't you just pay for it in the beginning? Oh, because you went through self-checkout and you thought nobody was watching, even though there's a camera staring right at you. Most of these people they're stealing through self-checkout because they ain't going to a cashier doing that. Unbelievable. Anyways, yeah. Cops did a good job. Cops did a good job. They get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.